Hey guys, Mike here with some general hints and tips for FluffeyHD today. This concludes my general tutorial for FluffeyHD. Well, concludes. This begins it. And this is just some general basic tips and hints that you guys can use to increase your workflow and all that dandy stuff. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag in a clip here. I'll just find a clip, any clip. It doesn't really matter to me. Now the first thing you want to do always is disable resample, because that makes your quality 50 times better. So just see, this is VSync problem right here. Don't worry about that. That's Battlefield beta. But you want to right click and you want to just properties disable resample and uncheck maintain aspect ratio and uncheck loop, and then just press OK. And second thing you always want to do is you want to go and you want to hit this pan crop button. Looks like this, and you just want to simply drag it in very slightly. And what's that going to do is going to take away the black bars in your PVR. Looking nice. You can do it a little bit more. So that's looking great. Awesome. So let me just go to a frame here. Awesome. So this looks great and everything, but you guys were wondering how you save event FX into packages. So let's say I drag on my brightness and contrast. I'm just gonna do anything random, so if it looks terrible, let me just adjust it real fast. Alright, so yeah, let's say we drag on brightness and contrast, and then we drag on some color corrector secondary and all this good stuff, and that's all dandy and jolly and good, but what do we do with this? There's a problem, right? And you guys are like, what the fuck are you talking about, Fluffy? Well, you want to save them all as an event package so you can have a nice color correction for your game, and you hate loading them every time. It's annoying. I'm not going to lie. What do you have to do? All you have to do is click this button right here. Or not that. Yeah. And then click this button, plug in chain. Click that, and then you can simply press save as, type in package. I'm just going to name this CC BF3, let's say. Boom. And then it pops up, and then to load them back up, so let's say I take away these two effects so we don't have any color correction. I'm going to press this button, and it's going to be right here. Just click filter packages, and then double click CC BF3, and it'll drag on that color correction. So that's a really nice and easy way to load your color corrections fast. Now another general hint is to apply fade, just drag on the corners. Same with fading sound in and out. So that, just drag on the corners and that'll fade in your video. Another hint is if you want to take out the audio completely, or want to delete the audio or not drag it with the video, it won't be tethered to the video anymore, simply select the audio or video and press U, and then you can drag off the audio. Now your track will go pink, and when it's back in sync it'll go normal. So if you want to sync audio, then you probably want to keep this, but you can delete the audio track now and delete this whole track if you wanted to, but I'm going to keep it on and move it back. So 1 second there. Alright, and now if you want to cut out audio, it's really simple. You're going to have to press U because you don't want to delete the video part, but let's say I want to cut out this audio from here to here. Just select where you want to cut, press S, select where you want to cut, press S, and then select the clip and press delete, and you've cut out the audio. Alright, so that's how you cut out audio there. And then if you want to turn down the transparency for the video or the sound for the audio and whatever reason, first of all, you can use this slider for the audio. Or if you want to cut out a certain segment of the audio and not want to make multiple tracks, you can select the top part and just drag that down. Also for video transparency, you can do that, as you see there. And so this concludes part 1 of my general basic hints and tricks, guys. This has been a short 4-minute video. There's a couple of other tricks I might want to put in, but those are the very basic ones on how to use Vegas and a lot of the steps I use. If you want to insert text, guys, I'm going to do a couple more. If you want to insert audio or video tracks, just click in blank space right here, and you can insert either of them, like you just saw. And then if you want to insert text, guys, very simple, media generators text. Drag on this. You can select your font and everything else. If you want a transparent background, select the background color and just drag it there, and you're set to go. So your text will look like that, and then you can change it around however. So that's basically this is very basic tutorial. I recommend you using my quality settings too while you're using this tutorial. But there you can see we got our nice video. I know it's in preview half, but it's still looking good quality Battlefield Bad Company video with a nice color correction on it. And basically this concludes part 1, guys. I mean, that's just fooling around with the video. Some very basic stuff. And I really do hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This has been FluffeyHD, and more advanced tutorial tomorrow. Alright guys, bye.